Alright guys, the first thing you need to do is to right click on the icon at this level. You click on open file. You click on new file and you label it as level 1.html. Take note that all web documents are supposed to be titled and end with the mark.html to show that it's a web application. Now you'll see that an HTML profile has been created. The first application, if you have read those stuffs that which I've given you, the first thing you have to do is by typing doc type, which tells you how the format of the document should look like. Then next is your HTML tag, and take note that each HTML tag has an opening tag and a closing tag. After the HTML tag is the head. Likewise, an opening tag has a closing tag. Mine just synchronized as it is because it's a code block in which I'm using. Unlike if you're using a notepad or any computer, you won't have it. You need to type all these things. Then have title, which is HTML tutorials. Level 1. The next thing is the body. See, then the first thing you're going to learn is how to input the head and paragraph in an HTML file. The head, if you read the following documents I gave you, you see that head has, you have H1 to H6. Likewise, paragraph, you have paragraph 1 to paragraph 6, but we'll proceed with that in the next class. So our first heading, which is H1, will be titled as, let's say, HTML tutorials. And after the paragraph we have, after the head one, we have paragraph 1, which the paragraph is, I am happy to begin. I'm happy to learn HTML coding from stephencheson media. With that, you click on save. When you click on save, you go to the folder which I asked you to create. You save the document in the folder titled HTML training. And then for you to see what you have done, you go to preview HTML and markdown. You can click in open in browser, and you can click in open in app for you to view what you have done. It will look like this. Please just hold on. Good. Have you seen? This is the first step on how to build. You see that all those what only came out was the paragraph and the headings. No, those other codings won't come out. That's just to show you how a document can be displayed like. Thank you. This is the first episode tutorial.